Hi there, it's Yasin Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can translate. I'm going to show you how you can. Hi there, it's Yasin Mahmood, the web guy here, and in this YouTube tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can translate any page from English into any other language. The first thing you want to do is open up your web browser. This is on mobile. It slightly varies on desktop, not too much. Then you find the page I want to it here. Then you click on the three little dots. Click on translate. Then the bottom there it says select the language English, so you can change it to more languages. So we'll go with Danish. See, it's changed it to Danish. Pretty much there. So we've got there. We'll do one more language just so that it does it in something that's nowhere near English writing. Go with, let's go with the first one, was it? Arabic. They change it, see? That's how easy. And if we want to go back and we press the X and we think, oh, we'll close it and then we go back on the thing and think, okay, oh, how do I change it back again? Just click on the three dots again. Translate the thing, that little thing will pop up at the bottom and it says detect language Arabic. Click the three dots. Click on more languages. Pick the language, the default language you want. And it will say detect the language English done. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did, please share this video, leave your comments in the comment section below, subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell, then you'll be notified every time I post a new video. Thank you.